What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you own the iPhone 8 or any of the earlier iPhones, you obviously rely on the physical home button for accessing your home screen and securing your phone with Touch ID. Have you pressed your home button recently and the iPhone home button not working happens? Don't worry, I'm gonna give you guys 5 ways to fix it. First, check if your device is physically damaged. If so, and your device is under warranty, your best option is to take it to the nearest Apple store for repair. Otherwise, you will have to pay Apple or a third-party service provider a substantial amount for repairs. The next easy way is to force restart, which will fix most issues. Before we start, make sure that iPhone Unlock or iTunes and App Store is on. Let's go to Settings, Touch ID Passcode, and check it. If Touch ID still doesn't work, try to force restart it. Here, I use iPhone 8 Plus as an example. For iPhone 8 or iPhone later, volume up, then press and quickly release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo appears. But if your phone is iPhone 6 or earlier, you need to use the home button. So we can go to Settings. Then find the shutdown button at the bottom of the general. Click it and slide the slider. When the phone is turned off, you can press and hold the power button to restart. If restarting doesn't help, I recommend you enable Assistive Touch to help you in place of the home button. To do is, go to Settings, click Accessibility, find Touch button, and turn on the toggle for Assistive Touch. Then you will see a semi-transparent button appear on your screen. Tap it to display a pop-up menu. Now you can tap Home to simulate pressing the home button like this. Okay, if you still want your home button to work, try to reset all settings. Go to Settings and found General. Click the Transfer or Reset iPhone button, then click Erase all content and settings. After the phone boots up, try using the Touch ID again, but this method will remove all your data. If you want to reset your phone without losing any data, you can consider using the third-party tool ReiBoot to repair iOS. I've put the download link below if you're interested. Now let's see how it works. Download ReiBoot and launch it. Make sure your phone connects to your computer. Click the green Start button. Here are 2 choices for you. If you don't want to lose data, choose the standard repair button. Then click Download and ReiBoot will match the latest firmware package for the repair. Once done, click the Start Standard Repair to proceed. Be patient, it will take a few minutes to repair. Please keep your device connected to your computer. Okay, now the repair process is completed. Let's get back to the phone and check it out. Go to Settings, found Touch ID and Passcode, and delete the fingerprint we set up before. Then create a new one with a different finger. Once done, press the power button to lock up the device. Then try unlocking it with the new Touch ID. It worked? Okay, so that's all for today's video. If it helps, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. I would be very grateful if you subscribe. And stay tuned for our next video.